Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Vision Plus, and let me show you how to check IMEI info and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. Let me show you the first one. Let's open the dialer and let's type *#06#. And as you can see, the IMEI info and serial number just pops out. Click on OK. Let's get back, and you can of course check it through the settings. So let's open the settings. Scroll down to the very bottom and choose About Phone, and here, as you can see here, we've got the IMEI info for both SIM slots, and if you want to check the serial number, simply tap on Model and Hardware, and here we've got the serial number. So that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Motorola One Vision Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.